Welcome to Kana Practice. This web app requires a current version of Chrome or Firefox browser on current Windows, Mac OS X, and Android operating systems. The recording feature requires a working microphone. When you first visit the URL for your lesson, the browser should ask you for permission to use your microphone. And on Chrome, it looks something like this. And you will click Allow. On Firefox, it should look something like this, and click Share Selected Device. Once your mic is successfully accessed by the program, you should see input levels displayed in the upper bar. This is how you know that your mic is working, and you can see them up here when I'm speaking right now. As long as you are in practice mode, you can click the microphone icon to begin recording yourself in order to listen to your own pronunciation and perhaps compare it to the model pronunciations in the videos. If the microphone icon is glowing red, like it is right now, it's recording. Click on the microphone again to stop recording. Now you should be able to see a waveform of your recording in the lower bar or an audio playback controller if you are on a mobile device. And you can see this is what I just recorded just now. Once you have a recording down there, you can click on the hard disk icon to save it to your downloads folder at any time. And you can re-record anytime you like by, again, clicking the microphone icon to start recording and then to stop again, and it'll replace the current recording in memory. The forward and backward arrows, this is the forward one, lets you go through the practice items. And on any of the items, if you decide you want to, you can play the video associated with it, just like so. You can play them as many times as you like in practice mode. Once you are on the last item, in this case, 33 out of 33, one more click on the forward arrow will take you into quiz mode. In quiz mode, you simply read the words presented out loud and you are automatically recorded. And it looks something like this. It gives you a little warning, and then it just begins showing you the stimulus and recording your response. And then when you're done, as this screen shows a completed quiz of 33 out of 33, you can click the hard drive icon again to save your recording to the downloads folder. And this would be the recording that you would upload to your Dropbox, in the Course D12 Dropbox, that is. And if for any reason you want to start over in practice mode, simply reload the web page. And in the case of the Chrome browser, it's this little reload this page button right here, and we just reload it and it brings us back to practice, the splash screen, and we can start all over again. That's the end of the help video.